Exercise set 2.2, chapter number 2 of class 9th. We are at the question number 4. The difference between the positive integer is 63. The ratio of the two integers is 2:5. Find the two integers. Very simple. They are saying that we are having two integers, two positive integers, and their difference is 63. So we will assume that one integer is, first integer we will write here. First integer is 2x, and the second integer we can write here. Second integer is equal to 5x. Now we will check the difference of these two. 5x minus 2x, according to question it is equal to 63. We will have 5x minus 2x will become 3x is equal to 63. Now we will find the value of x, that will become 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. So x is equal to 21. So we had to find out these two integers. We can write here these two integer was what, 2x and 5x, right? So 2x and 5x. So we can solve here also. So 2x means 2 multiply x is equal to 2, that is 4, and that is 5x. 5 multiplied 2, 5 2 ja 10. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, 2 नहीं, x की वैल्यू हमारी 2 नहीं आई है, x की वैल्यू हमारी 21. सो वी हैव टू चेंज इट. x की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी आई है यहाँ से, 21. सो 21 हम पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे. 2x 2 multiply 21, that will become 42. And second is 5x 5 multiply 21, that will become 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. If you will see here, if you will subtract 105 and 42, you will get 63.